Hi everyone, after months of teasers and spy shots, Volkswagen has unveiled the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan in a world premiere. The third-generation Tiguan gets a bold, new look, a new cockpit and infotainment system generation, an efficient range of drives and high-performance assist systems. Volkswagen has taken note of the feedback from customers and product testers, and the result is a thoroughly updated new model for trim levels will be available from launch, with the range comprising the base spec, car life, elegance and R-line models. On the powertrain front, the Tiguan rides on the MQB Evo platform, underpinning vehicles like the Golf and Skoda Octavia, and will be offered with a selection of diesel, petrol, mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid drivetrains, depending on the market. Among the turbocharged four-cylinder engines is a new mild hybrid 1.5-liter petrol, developing either 126 horsepower or 146 horsepower. In a pair of front-wheel drive eTSI models, there is also an updated version of the more conventional 2.0-liter petrol engine, which develops 198-wheel drive TSI for motion models. The turbocharged 2.0-liter diesel remains, but with detailed changes to its exhaust system. It continues to develop 146 horsepower in the front-wheel drive. In the four-wheel drive for motion models, the petrol-electric drivetrain used by plug-in hybrid Tiguans has been heavily reworked. It is now based on the 1.5-liter engine from the new eTSI models instead of the older turbo 1.4-liter unit, and it is paired with a more powerful electric motor. However, the two front-wheel drive hybrid models retain the same power as those they replace at 198, as well as a raft of internal modifications and a revised turbocharger. These FEDs feature a new, larger 19.7 kilowatt-hours battery for a range of around 62 miles. The Tiguan hybrid accepts rapid charging at up to 50 kW, so a 10 to 80% recharge will take around 25 minutes. Petrol and diesel Tiguans use a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox DSG with the plug-in hybrids running a 6-speed DSG. The new Tiguan is available with the optional DCC Pro adaptive dampers for additional comfort and sportiness depending on the mode outside. The design of the new Tiguan mirrors other recent Volkswagen models in being less angular than its predecessor, with fuller forms within the surfacing. It measures 179 inches in length, 65 inches in height without roof rails, 73 inches in width and 106 inches in wheelbase at the front. The new look front fascia includes a simplified grille panel and a thinner IQ Light HD matrix headlights and a full-width light bar. There's a more pronounced front bumper with additional horizontal cooling ducts and vertical air curtains within the corners. The improved aerodynamics, reflected in the drop of the drag coefficient from 0.33 to 0.28, is complemented by a clean front-end design. The distinctive side body line of the current Tiguan is replaced by two feature lines above the wheel arches, which house wheels between 17 and 20 inches in diameter. A full-width tail light bar stretches across the rear of the vehicle with LED technology. The styling varies according to the equipment line, base life, elegance and R-line inside. Many of the current Volkswagen products suffer from quirky, touch-sensitive buttons, but Volkswagen has listened to customer feedback and opted for tried and trusted physical buttons instead. The biggest update comes in the form of Volkswagen's latest MIB for infotainment system with either a 12.9 or 15-inch display. Both units feature backlighting for the volume, slider and temperature controls, while Volkswagen claims the user interface is more intuitive. As a result, there's a permanent climate control bar visible on the panel, while users can customize up to 5 on-screen shortcut buttons at the top of the display to make switching between functions easier. All cars feature a 10.5-inch digital dash panel for different configurable views. Options include a new head-up display that projects information onto the windscreen instead of the plastic panel of the old Tiguan, and the system comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, and in a move that is already starting to be seen on other Volkswagen models, the steering wheel forgoes the fiddly, touch-sensitive controls of the old Tiguan for easier-to-use physical buttons and switches. The centerpiece of the new center console is a rotary controller used to control the driving modes as well as the audio volume and what Volkswagen calls atmospheres, pre-programmed settings for the ambient lighting and other functions, including playlists from Spotify and Apple Music. The new Ergo Active Plus seats with pneumatic 4-way lumbar adjustment and pneumatic 10-chamber pressure massage function are a perfect match for the high-quality character of the Tiguan. Finally, since its introduction in 2007, the Tiguan has regularly been Volkswagen's best-selling model worldwide. Some 7.5 million have been produced to date, including 1.2 million in the past 2 years alone, according to Volkswagen, while it's set to hit European dealerships in the first quarter of 2024. United States market awaits its introduction. Local pricing and specifications will be communicated closer to the launch. Thank you for watching the video and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.